Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick update video regarding the Caddx Ant Nano FPV camera. 2 days ago I reviewed it on my channel and compared it with other FPV cameras, and as spotted by some of you, this video was removed yesterday. As you can see, the DVR footage of the Ant Nano was way overexposed, and since I used the default settings and I also tried other settings which didn't help, I thought that this is the performance of the camera. After posting the video, Caddx asked me if I can run some more tests in order to make sure that my camera is not defective, and I found out that after connecting the Ant directly to this DVR screen, the overexposure issue does not happen. I spent about 5 hours yesterday trying to figure it out, and I even took apart my comparison stand and added 2 separate PDB boards in order to power up the DVRs because I thought the issue might be related to insufficient voltage or current. Long story short, it wasn't the issue, and unfortunately in the process of trying to figure out the problem, I burnt a Runcam DVR and the Rush Tiny Tank VTX, God rest their souls. The issue, believe it or not, was solved after soldering the ground and video out pads of the Runcam DVR to the ground and video in pads of a VTX or a flight controller, and even stranger, it even worked without powering them up. In this video, you can see the DVR footage of the Ant Nano when the ground and video out pads of the Runcam DVR are connected, and as you can see, the image is overexposed after disconnecting them. I reported this issue to Runcam and they are currently investigating it, so I'm not sure what causes the problem and why my solution works, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know. In addition, I'm not sure what makes the Ant Nano more prone to this issue, as I tested the DVR with other cameras and they weren't affected in this manner, at least not to this certain point, but I did add the VTX and flight controllers to all the DVRs, and as you can see, one DVR is now missing because I burnt it, but don't worry, I'm going to get a couple of more DVRs in the next few days, and then I will be able to post more side-by-side comparison videos. If everything will go as planned, in a few days I'm going to release a revised review and side-by-side comparison of the Ant Nano, and as a treat, here is a quick giveaway. When the video is going to be up, I'm going to announce 2 winners who are going to win the Caddx Ant Nano, which is going to be sent directly to the winners by Caddx. And in case you would like to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is to leave a comment on this video, make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, and hit the notifications bell so in case you are the winner, you're not going to miss out. I thank you for joining this quick update, I wish you all good luck in the giveaway, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.